Alright, so welcome YouTube. We got our sea boat, PROBOAT Jet Jam. We're gonna test it in this beautiful pool. And we just got out of the pool, so let's unbox it first. Alright, let's get it out of the box. We did pre-charge the batteries because, well, we want to have time to race. And this is what we got here. We got some stickers. So we got all this stuff. Manual, nobody needs that. Stickers, very sweet. 3 types. You can decorate it as you want. Something here. That. Alright, now to the boat. Alright, now to the boat. This is where cherry on top of the cake. It's beautiful. Take a look at it. It does look plain though. We got the white version because it looks more realistic. Remote, typical remote. Very nice grip. Really like it. Alright. Now we got the battery, dynamite battery, sweet, goes in there. We got all these stickers. We're gonna put on the main ones that make it look realistic. But for the style stickers, we're gonna do a vote for who you can choose which one, and then the one that gets the most votes, we're gonna put onto the boat. Putting on stickers for it to look nice. Oh, it already looks like a boat. It already looks like a boat. Okay. Putting on stickers for it to look nice. Oh, it already looks like a boat. It already looks like a boat. Okay. This is beautiful. It's like clear. Alright, got the sponsors on there looking nice. Sponsors. See how the anti-capsize works. Oh, what if I...
One more time.
Alright, let's see if there's water inside. Or is it actually... It's clean. No water.
It's good quality.
Yeah, it's... I mean, you don't expect bad quality from Horizon Hobby.
Okay.